Hi friends, I have great pleasure in introducing Major General C.S. Nair, Visishta Seva Medal, a veteran who retired as the Judge Advocate General of Indian Army. General Nair has been associated with Sarathi Center for Excellence as its Chief Consultant in Academics. General Nair was kind enough to inaugurate the academic wing of Sarathi Center for Excellence in the year 2017. Thereafter, he had been watching the progress of this institution and its growth continuously throughout these years. Major General C.S. Nair, Visishta Seva Medal, is a native of Kollam. And after doing his post-graduation in English, he joined the LLB program at Kerala Law Academy, Trivandrum. On successful completion of the law program, he got enrolled as an advocate. He started his career and he started his practice in the District Court of Kollam and practiced for less than a year. Thereafter, he got fascinated in the army service and joined the Indian Military Academy for pre-commission training. And on completion of the pre-commission training, he got commissioned into the Judge Advocate General's branch in the year 1978. He served in the army for nearly 35 years in various capacities in both staff and instructional assignments. Thereafter, possibly General C.S. Nair is the first Keralite to be appointed as Judge Advocate General in the Major General's rank. After his retirement, he got empaneled as an A-grade government counsel in the Supreme Court of India. And he continued his practice thereafter. General Nair was awarded the Visishta Seva Medal by the President of India for his distinguished service. And he has been kind enough to get associated with Sarathi Center for Excellence. He has become a senior consultant with us and he is guiding the directors for the development of this coaching institution. As the distinguished consultant of Sarathi Center for Excellence, General Nair has been witnessing the steady growth of this coaching academy for the past 3 years. And as of now, we had our Christmas celebration last month, and during the Christmas celebration, the first commissioned officer of Sarathi Center for Excellence, ex-student of Sarathi Center for Excellence, cut the cake. And there were 111 other ex-students of Sarathi Center for Excellence. They have secured various jobs in uniformed services all over the country. Our first cadet who got selected from Sarathi Center for Excellence, the naval cadet Murali Krishnan, he has got promoted to the 5th term of Indian Naval Academy, Erimala. And they were all there to witness the proceedings, the celebrations of Christmas. We have already 6 military nursing students undergoing training at various colleges of nursing in military hospitals all over the country. So we had been making a steady progress. So with this background, I would like to request General Nair to give his suggestions and also his impressions about about Sarathi Center for Excellence, so that we will be getting more guidance and more impetus from him. Sir, good evening and welcome to Sarathi Center for Excellence.
Thank you, Colonel Vijayan.
Sir, it is great pleasure welcoming you after 3 years to this coaching academy. It has been so very kind of you to have graced this, graced the occasion here. Sir, I would like to ask you, what are your impressions about the growth of Sarathi Center for Excellence, and also what are your views for further improvement of our coaching program?
Thank you very much, Colonel Vijayan, for having afforded me this opportunity. I, for one, am indeed impressed. When I look back on the occasion when I could be part of the system of the Sarathi Center for Excellence, and I was privileged to formally inaugurate all the coaching activities that was in the pipeline. Frankly, I am quite impressed the way this wonderful coaching institute has taken the recourse in the preceding years. Now, if I recollect, I had discussed threadbare with the director of the institute, namely Colonel Vijayan, the pitfalls involved in such a venture, primarily on account of the credibility factor. But I am quite happy. I am happy indeed that you had stood the test of the rigors involved, and many students have come out in flying colors. It is a feather in your cap that from your institute, namely the Sarathi Center for Excellence, one bright young man has been commissioned into the Corps of Army Aviation. Really a worthy achievement, I should say. And the full credits goes to you as a director and your team.
Sir, other than the defense services, we are catering for the aspirants for all other uniformed services like CRPF, RPF, BSF, Assam Rifles, and also excise, state police, central police, and all such things. Any uniformed services where physical efficiency test and as well as the academic tests are involved, we are catering for their needs. So now we have got 111 people in all, our ex-students, who have already secured one job in any one of the uniformed services in the country. And sir, do you have any suggestions for any further improvement on that? Then we would like to take your directions on that, sir.
I am highly elated to learn today the scroll of achievements by this nascent institute. When you started off in barely 3 years ago, one could never imagine that you will achieve so much in so little a time. Apart from a young man becoming a commissioned officer, it is really heartening to learn that more than 111 students of your institute are undergoing training in various uniform services across the country. While patting you, I can wish you Godspeed and I will definitely pray for your further development in a flourishing fashion. Only thing I would emphasize that when you started off 3 years ago, your emphasis was to spread your wings to guide and help students drawn from less privileged segment of the society. I find that that particular focus has not been lost sight of, and that aim has been achieved to a great extent. But at the same time, not to be complacent, it is better you spread your wings further and ensure that those less privileged people or students are helped out without any reservations. In any case, those who are meritorious in other aspects, they will come and achieve with whatever they want with your guidance and help. But you will be doing a yeoman service if this less privileged segment is also taken care of. I once again wish you Godspeed and wish you the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. Actually, this particular coaching institute is functioning under the aegis of Sarathi Kuwait, which is an voluntary NRI association, and which has formed an educational and charitable trust of Sarathi Kuwait, and they are the people basically funding. So it is basically the very essence of it is charity. So we will continue to strive on that, and we are focusing more on the less privileged lot of the people rather than the creamy layers of the society. So that focus will not be lost of, sir, we assure you for that. And apart from that, what is I wish to inform you that we have got two wings. That is, one is the academic wing at Cherthala, and another is the SSB Services Selection Board interview wing at SL Puram. At SL Puram, we have got our own building and our own plot, where we have constructed the obstacle system and everything required for the outdoor training. There we have now creating 5 more additional classrooms. With this, we will be able to enhance our training capability, and so we wish to include in our list the Staff Selection Commission aspirants, the Kerala Public Service Commission aspirants, and also those who are looking forward for interview training per se. So we will be adding these courses also in the coming few months. So we would again request you, sir, to come over and guide us whenever the next the renovated building is re-inaugurated, and at that time we will be looking forward for your graceful presence once again. Yes. Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you very much for the offer. I will be doubly happy to be with you in all the new ventures which are coming up at the SL Puram campus. Philanthropy apart, what will make you stand out is the excellence in the standard of training that can be imparted by you. That I am sure with the new infrastructure in place, you will be achieving the target with felicity, and full credits to the charitable society based at Kuwait. And in facilitating this dream come true, Colonel Vijayan, you and your team deserve full support and congratulations. All the best.
Thank you so very much, sir. It has been very kind of you to have come, graced this occasion, and this has been indeed very pleasing, and they will be very happy to know the members of the Sarathi Kuwait. They will be very happy to know your continued association with us, and we will definitely will cherish that memory and continue our association further. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you.
I wish you all the very best once again, and Godspeed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.